Hello, my nostrils. Welcome back to the Nashville Nose. I am your host, Dr. Magnificent, right here. Giddy up. And today we're going on a journey. We're gonna be blasting Don't Stop Believing. Except I won't be playing that song because I will get a copyright strike. But they don't say I can't sing it. Of course, for your sake, I will cease the singing for the rest of this video. That's right, it's gonna be quite a journey because today we're gonna be reviewing Journey by Amouage. Yeah, it's about time I got a few more Amouages in my collection. The only thing I know is that it has tobacco in it, and I'm a big lover of tobacco, big fan of Amouage, and that bottle looks really cool inside. I've seen pictures, so very excited to see this in person. What do you say we cut her open? Knife, please. Thank you. Plastic, please. Thank you. First off, the box is nothing short of impressive, as per usual when it comes to Amouage. Love the artwork and the shiny, foily gold finish on here. Got that Amouage logo in the middle, and in the reflection you can see my camera. Hi. And then something else I love about Amouage presentations is you slide open the lid, and it's got a nice pedestal right there. It was a little crooked. There we go. So yeah, you could leave this on your display as a stand if you want to, but look at these shelves, man. You think I got room for that? I don't think so. Oh! Thank God that didn't explode. I kind of want to keep this box. It's really fancy. Let's put that over there. And yes, this bottle is just as impressive as I imagined. Got this metallic red front face with the gold Amouage logo and Amouage writing in the middle. Then on the sides of the bottle, it's gold metallic. Yeah, sleek. Gold cap, gold atomizer, and in the middle of the cap, we have that red gem. So as to be expected with all Amouages, very impressive presentation as always. But I think it's time to spray, baby, spray. Time to diagnose. The doctor is now in. Oh, what a journey this will be. Ooh, ooh. Strong, pungent, very pungent. Whoa, what is going on? What is that in the air? Oh my goodness. I'm getting like a ton of spice. This thing is real spicy. Yeah, that's punchy right off the rip. Definitely not getting tobacco at this stage. All right, truth time. Oh, that made my eyes water. Jeez, this thing is hulking out on my skin over here. Kind of like it though. Ooh. Huh. Yeah, I think I'm actually digging it. All right, it calmed down pretty quickly. Okay, hold on. I'm getting cumin. I'm smelling something a little cuminy right here. And I don't know, hold on. I'm kind of on the fence. I mean, I like this. It's got a lot of uniqueness. Doesn't smell like anything I've smelled before, but this cuminy spice is giving me what sometimes cumin can give. It's a little, you know, a little skanky. Sometimes cumin can come off smelling a little BO-esque. And I don't think this is going to that level, but this is just the open, so I'm hoping as it dries down, it gets a tad less pungent and hopefully a little bit more sexy. That's what I'm hoping for. But yeah, so far, initial impression, I think I'm kind of digging it. Let's look at the notes. Okay, okay, no cumin. God, this happens to me all the time. Every time I feel like there's cumin in a blend, there is no cumin. Then when I can't smell it, it's in there somewhere. So I don't know what's up with my nose. All right, top notes are Szechuan pepper, bergamot, cardamom, neroli, and bigarad. Wait, are they saying this has a duck sauce note in it? That is kind of making sense. I am getting some subtle hints of orange because bigarad sauce in cuisine, I believe, is orange based. But Szechuan pepper is definitely what I'm getting the most of in the open. That combined with the cardamom, I can get the cardamom for sure. And I think that's maybe what's giving me that cuminy feel. Heart notes are juniper berries, incense, pure geraniol, which I believe is used in a lot of different oils. According to my Googles, it's used in citronella oil, rose oil, palmarosa oil. I also see a note of cypriol oil. We have, of course, tobacco leaves, which is great. Love that. Again, not getting a lot of tobacco right now. We'll see if that comes into play more as it dries down. And then besides cypriol, we also have tonka bean, leather, and ambroxan in the base. I mean, it just says ambrox. I'm assuming that's ambroxan. Why do you have to be so confusing with your notes, Amouage? Yeah, so far this is pretty cool. It's really different. It's kind of giving me Middle Eastern vibes. Definitely taking me on a journey. So I think we should go on a little journey of our own, meaning I will step away, I will let this thing sit and really settle, come back and give you a full report on development and performance. That's how we do. Stick around. Whoa, thanks for sticking around. We are back, baby. And I really let this thing sit for a good long time. And I'll tell you what, performance is pretty slamming. And I really like the way it's developed. I am getting more tobacco now in the dry down, which is great. Still not entirely tobacco dominant. Like, I wouldn't categorize this as a tobacco scent, at least not on me. Still getting a lot of spice from the incense, which is really great. It's almost kind of giving me this churchy incense at this point. Has sweetened up a little bit with the tonka bean, but has remained a bit sharp with the cypriol. I can detect some leather in there, but it's just kind of hovering in the background. I have to say though, I would consider this challenging. I don't think a lot of noob fragrance aficionados would really dig it. Maybe, maybe not. I feel like this is a scent that really depends on skin chemistry, because I looked up some reviews and they're fairly mixed, but mostly positive. So on my skin, I'm getting just a ton of spice. That seems to be the most prominent thing, which I'm digging. I feel like this will be really great in the fall. Considering the price and the kind of challenging nature, I wouldn't recommend this as blind buy safe, but I think it's absolutely worth sampling if you like spicy fragrances with a little bit of a Middle Eastern flair, which makes sense. Amouage is a Middle Eastern company. Such an incredible house, and I'm really glad I have this, you know? I was a little nervous. I wasn't sure if I was gonna like it, but yeah, it's grown on me pretty quick. All right, final thoughts. Turbo Beast, turbo spicy, extremely unique. Could be a bit challenging to certain palates, but man, as it dries down, it really smooths out. Yeah, this one is an absolute keeper for me. It fits my personality so well. I love how much it stands out. I love how long it lasts on my skin. Yeah, it's just deadly smooth at this point. I highly, highly, highly recommend sampling this. Journey, big success. And I hope this fun little video was a success on your end when it comes to entertainment. Have you entertained the thought of subscribing? Yeah, subscribe, become an official nostril, join the journey, and I'll be with you for every step of your fragrance journey. Don't forget to like and ring the bell if you don't mind. Share me with your pheromone challenge friends or family. Maybe someone looking for some spice in their life. Blast me out onto your socials and leave a comment. Let me know if you tried this guy or anything from Amouage, or just ask me anything. I love your fragrance thoughts. And I would love to see you next time on the next quest. Until then, stay adventurous and stay smelly. The Doctor is out.